Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of sending files with Dropbox, making file sharing easy and efficient. Follow our step-by-step instructions to ensure a smooth experience. Step 1. Create a Dropbox account. If you don't already have a Dropbox account, visit the Dropbox website at www.dropbox.com. Click on Sign Up and follow the prompts to create your free account. Fill in the required information and verify your email address. Step 2. Install the Dropbox application. While you can use Dropbox via the web, downloading the application provides additional features. Go to the Dropbox website, navigate to the Download section, and follow the instructions to install it on your device. Step 3. Upload files to Dropbox. Open the Dropbox application or visit the website. Log into your account, then click on the Upload button. You can either drag and drop files directly into your Dropbox or select Upload Files from the menu and choose the files you wish to send. Step 4. Create a shared folder, optional. If you want to share multiple files simultaneously, consider creating a shared folder. In the Dropbox app or website, navigate to Folders and select Create Folder. Name your folder and set sharing preferences. You can invite people via email to access this folder. Step 5. Share files or folders. Once your files are uploaded, you can share them easily. Right-click on the file or folder you wish to share and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. You can also set permissions, allowing them to edit or just view the files. Step 6. Generate a share link. Alternatively, you can create a shareable link. Right-click on the file or folder, select Share, and then click on Create Link. Copy the generated link and send it to anyone you want to share your files with via email, messaging apps, or social media. Step 7. Manage shared files. To manage shared files and see who has access, go to the Shared section in your Dropbox account. Here, you can change permissions, remove access, or add new collaborators as needed. Remember, Dropbox makes file sharing convenient and secure, ensuring your important documents are always within reach. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.